Have you ever wondered why a metal spoon left in a hot soup becomes warm, or why an ice cube melts in your hand? These everyday phenomena can be explained by the concepts of heat transfer. Heat transfer, in simple terms, is the movement of thermal energy from one thing to another thing of different temperature. These things, called bodies, could be simply anything: solids, liquids, gases, or even empty space. The heat transfer continues until the bodies involved reach a state of thermal equilibrium. That is, they become the same temperature. Now, this might sound a bit complex, but let's break it down. Heat transfer primarily happens in three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction is the process of heat transfer from one part of a body to another part without the movement of the body as a whole. Think about that metal spoon in a hot soup. The heat from the soup is conducted through the spoon to your hand. Convection, on the other hand, involves the movement of fluid. This could be gas or liquid. An example of convection is the boiling of water. When you heat water in a pot, the water at the bottom gets hot and rises, while the cooler water at the top sinks to the bottom. This circular motion, known as a convection current, distributes the heat evenly throughout the pot. Lastly, there's radiation, the only method of heat transfer that can occur in the vacuum of space. Radiation involves the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. The heat from the sun, for example, reaches the Earth by radiation. Now you might be wondering, why does all this matter? Well, understanding heat transfer has countless practical applications. It's used in creating and improving many technologies we rely on every day, such as air conditioners, refrigerators, and even our cars. To summarize, heat transfer is the movement of thermal energy from one body to another until they reach the same temperature. This process occurs mainly through three methods: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction involves direct contact, convection involves the movement of fluids, and radiation involves electromagnetic waves. Heat transfer is an essential concept in physics that has a wide range of applications in our daily lives, from cooking our food to cooling our homes. It's fascinating to realize that such simple everyday phenomena have such complex science behind them. So, the next time you hold a warm mug of coffee or feel the summer heat on your skin, remember, it's all about heat transfer.